In today's video, we are going to be putting together a very easy snowman Christmas ornament. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary Ellen. Christmas time is right around the corner, so let's get started with some Christmas time fun. The first thing I did was create a snowman shape on a piece of paper. Then I traced it onto a page in my book. Once I was done tracing, I went ahead and tore that page out. I do have several pages in the book, so if I happen to mess up, I can always get another page. Being an educator, I do have several old books that have been placed in the discard pile due to missing pages or that have been well loved. Instead of throwing those books out, I like to find ways to recycle them, and one way that I like to do that is through Christmas ornaments. The snowman is easier to cut out when the page is detached from the book, so I go ahead and cut out the shape. I really like this snowman ornament because it is an easy craft, something you can do with your family, with your students at school, or you can create them as a gift or gift tags for your friends and family. Remember the original snowman shape that I drew onto a piece of paper? I use that and trace it onto a piece of cardboard. Since I am creating an ornament, I need to give it a firm base so that it doesn't bend up. I also want it to last. The cardboard provides me a nice back to my ornament. Now that I have my cardboard back cut out, I squeeze some glue on it. I don't want to just put the book page on the glue, because if I do that, it will leak through and create wet looking blotches. So I take a paintbrush and brush the glue over the cardboard. Once the glue is brushed out evenly, I then take the book snowman cutout, place it on top, and gently push it down, making sure to smooth out all of the wrinkles. I then set that aside to dry. I let it dry for a good hour or two before adding anything else onto the design. While I was waiting for my snowman to dry, I went ahead and cut out its scarf. I had already created a pattern for it, so I took the pattern, taped it onto the back of some glitter paper, traced it, and then cut it out. Once everything was dry and cut out, I placed it on my snowman to see if I liked it. Then I began to glue down the wiggle eyes. I put a little bit too much hot glue on the first eye. I would suggest putting a very small dot on the eye. I liked the second eye much better. Once the eyes were on, I went ahead and hot glued the scarf on. When students are younger, we always have them write short descriptive papers on how to blow a bubble or how snowmen are made. But when we take this concept into a slightly older age, we get some amazing creative results. Give them an assignment. Title it something along the lines of how a snowman is made or how snowmen are made. Then provide them with a choice between descriptive writing or a poem. I chose some Christmas ribbon out of my craft supplies to be my ornament hanger. I went ahead and glued that on, let it dry, and then hung it up on the Christmas tree. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan on making this ornament, and don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on for notifications.